We're just getting rid of the last of our Thanksgiving leftovers, and like magic, everywhere we look, all we see is the red and the green and the sparkle of Christmas. And with Christmas less than a month away, I thought I'd share an idea that you may want to try out in the next week or so that would be perfect for Christmas morning. It's a spin-off on my favorite, red velvet cake. We start out by mixing a few dry ingredients together, some pancake mix, cocoa powder, and a bit of sugar. To that, we add some milk, a couple of eggs, vanilla, and a splash of red food coloring. After we mix that up and the batter is nice and smooth, we pour it onto a hot griddle or skillet and make them like we would any other pancake. And if you have little ones at home, maybe make a few silver dollar size just for them. And since you'll need to make these in batches, you'll want to keep them warm on a cookie sheet in the oven. Now, rather than serving these with syrup, these are even better when you top them with an outrageous homemade cream cheese icing. I hope you'll go online and get the recipe for our red velvet pancakes. And since you'll have the recipe early enough, it'll give you plenty of time to try these out before Christmas morning. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a festive way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. You like those little silver dollar ones, don't you? You like everything little, don't you?